Hello friends, welcome back to a new video on Ashwa Old Coin. The 1994 Australian $1 coin is a significant piece of numismatic history, representing both the country's cultural heritage and the evolving currency system of Australia. It was part of a series of coins introduced by the Royal Australian Mint to replace the $1 banknote, which had been in circulation since 1966. The 1994 coin was part of a wider effort to introduce a more durable, cost-effective, and efficient currency system. This coin is especially notable for its design and production history, making it a symbol of the era. Before the introduction of the $1 coin, the Australian $1 denomination was represented by paper banknotes. In 1984, the Australian government decided to phase out paper banknotes in favor of more durable and long-lasting coins. As part of this effort, the Royal Australian Mint began designing and producing various coins, and the new $1 coin debuted in 1984. The change was driven by the growing need for a more practical currency. Banknotes were prone to wear and tear, and the introduction of coins addressed the practical problems of longevity and cost efficiency. Coins are generally more durable than paper and last longer in circulation, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The minting of coins also led to significant savings over time for the Australian government. The introduction of the $1 coin in 1984 marked a new phase in Australian currency, and by 1994, the $1 coin had become an important feature of everyday life in Australia. The 1994 coin was issued as part of the General Circulation Series, and its design featured imagery that was widely associated with Australia and the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. The 1994 Elizabeth II Australian $1 coin featured several key design elements that are significant both symbolically and artistically. The obverse front of the coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, as was standard on Australian coins. The image used was created by renowned Australian sculptor Ian Rank-Broadley and was first introduced on coins in 1998. However, in 1994, this version of the Queen's portrait was still common, typically accompanied by the inscription Elizabeth II Australia and the year 1994. This depiction of the Queen was a standard feature on Australian coins at the time and reflects her role as the monarch of Australia. The reverse back of the 1994 $1 coin features a design known as the Mob of Roos, a depiction of a group of kangaroos. This was the most common design on the $1 coin, designed by the artist Stuart Devlin. It depicts three kangaroos in a leaping motion, capturing the essence of Australian wildlife. The design was chosen to symbolize Australia's unique fauna, making the coin iconic in both its aesthetic appeal and national symbolism. The 1994 $1 coin was composed of cupronickel, a metal alloy that provides durability while maintaining a reasonable cost of production. The exact specifications for the 1994 coin are as follows. Diameter, 25 millimeters. Weight, 9 grams. Thickness, 2.8 millimeters. Edge, milled, with a ridged texture. Composition, 75% copper, 25% nickel. The 1994 $1 coin, like other coins in the series, may have variations depending on the minting location. Coins struck in different facilities often bear mint marks, but the 1994 series was generally produced at the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra, with no prominent mint mark appearing on the reverse. Australia in 1994 was experiencing significant economic change. The country had just emerged from a period of economic reform during the 1980s and early 1990s, marked by the deregulation of industries and increased privatization. Australia was also beginning to benefit from the economic boom that would last through the 1990s. This period of growth and economic stability in the 1990s allowed the government to make investments in national infrastructure, including the production of new coinage. The decision to move forward with the $1 coin in the 1990s was part of broader efforts to modernize and streamline Australia's currency system, making it more efficient in both production and circulation. By 1994, coins were being produced and circulated at a higher volume, contributing to the stability of Australia's monetary system. The 1994 Elizabeth II $1 coin represents not just a practical tool for transactions, but a deep-seated connection to Australia's identity and its long-standing ties to the monarchy. The inclusion of Queen Elizabeth II's portrait on the coin was a reminder of Australia's status as a constitutional monarchy, with the Queen serving as the country's head of state. Despite ongoing debates about the role of the monarchy in modern Australian society, the Queen's image remains an iconic part of Australian currency. The reverse design, featuring the kangaroo, further emphasizes the unique cultural and natural heritage of Australia. The kangaroo is one of the country's most recognizable symbols, both domestically and internationally. Its presence on the coin evokes a sense of national pride and connection to the land. The 1994 Elizabeth II Australia $1 coin has become a collector's item for some, especially in pristine or uncirculated condition. Although the coin is still in circulation, its place in the history of Australian numismatics is cemented. The design elements have remained popular and are sometimes used in later commemorative issues. The $1 coin from 1994 also paved the way for further coin designs and series. As Australia's currency continues to evolve, older coins like the 1994 $1 coin provide a tangible link to the country's financial past and cultural evolution. Collectors and historians alike value these coins for their aesthetic design, historical significance, and the role they played in the development of modern Australian currency. The 1994 Elizabeth II Australia $1 coin is a milestone in the nation's numismatic history. With its timeless design, it reflects both Australia's connection to its royal heritage and its celebration of unique national symbols like the kangaroo. As a product of economic reform and modernization, the 1994 $1 coin continues to hold significant cultural value and serves as a reminder of Australia's transformation in the late 20th century.